Home Remedies presents Pour tea on your windows and watch what happens. Today's video is going to be super amazing and short as well. This may be one of the easiest and most economical do-it-yourself glass cleaners you have ever made. So let's rush and see how to do it. You will need water 300 ml, black tea bags 4 bags, a spray bottle. Procedure. First step is to boil your water and then add your 4 tea bags and let it steep for between 10 and 15 minutes. The longer the better, so aim for 15. Then take out the tea bags and toss them in the freezer for your puffy ice. Let the tea cool for a couple of hours and then pour it into your spray bottle. You are ready to clean your windows, mirrors, and whatever other glass and shiny surfaces you have in your home. This cleaner is good for about a week, but it's only 300 ml. Maybe 250 ml of it remains after boiling. So chances are you will use it up pretty quickly. You can also store it in the refrigerator to give it a longer shelf life. But remember to bring it to room temperature before you start cleaning. This hack is definitely worth trying if you want gleaming, streak-free windows and household surfaces. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.